Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer a property title via HUD closing statement review step by step clearly. To transfer a property title via a HUD closing statement review, begin by gathering all necessary documents related to the property. Ensure you have the original HUD-1 settlement statement. Confirm that all parties involved in the transaction are present during the closing. Review the HUD-1 statement line by line. Check the seller and buyer information for accuracy. Verify the property address is correct. Examine the loan information, if applicable, for any discrepancies. Look at the closing costs section, ensuring all fees are documented. Pay special attention to the title insurance fees. Ensure that any adjustments, such as prepaid taxes or HOA fees, are accurately reflected. Confirm the purchase price matches the agreed-upon amount in the contract. Make sure any credits to the buyer or seller are clearly stated. Check the commission fees for real estate agents involved in the transaction. Assess all lender charges and verify their legitimacy. Ensure the net proceeds to the seller are clearly outlined. Discuss any errors or questions with the closing agent immediately. Once you are satisfied with the HUD-1 statement, proceed to sign where required. Obtain copies of the signed HUD-1 statement for your records. Next, have the seller execute the deed transferring the property title. Ensure the deed is properly notarized. The deed should then be recorded with the appropriate county office. Review the property tax records to confirm the new owner's information is updated. Finally, store all documents safely for future reference. This completes the transfer of property title via a HUD closing statement review. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.